Don't say I'm stressed. Say my body is preparing me to rise from this challenge. This reframes stress into energy, turning cortisol into courage. Don't say I have to do this. Say I get to do this. This shifts the brain from pressure to gratitude, increasing motivation. Don't say I'll try. Say I commit. Try signals doubt, but commit programs the subconscious for a follow-through. Don't say I'm bad at this. Say I'm still learning this. Your brain loves growth. This rewires failure into progress. Don't say I don't have time. Say it's not my priority. This brutal truth exposes what you truly value. Don't say that's just who I am. Say that's who I've been, but not who I must stay. Identity is flexible. This creates mental freedom. Don't say this always happens to me. Say what can I learn from it this time? This stops victimhood and activates problem-solving mode. Don't say I don't know. Say I don't know yet. This adds growth mindset, tricking the brain to search for answers. Don't say I'm nervous. Say I'm excited. The brain cannot tell the difference. You control the framing. Don't say it's impossible. Say it hasn't been done by me yet. This opens possibility and dissolves mental barriers. Don't say I can't do this. Say how can I do this? Asking questions activates problem-solving circuits. Don't say I failed. Say I've discovered one way it doesn't work. This resets failure into data. Don't say I'm stuck. Say I'm pausing to reset. This turns paralysis into preparation, reducing anxiety. Don't say they lucky. Say they created opportunities. This shifts envy into responsibility and empowerment. Don't say I wish, say I will. Wish signals helplessness. Will directs action. Don't say I'm overwhelmed. Say I'm prioritizing. This gives the mind order instead of chaos. Don't say this is hard. Say this is stretching me. This frames difficulty as growth, not as punishment. Don't say I don't belong here. Say I'm learning to belong here. This destroys imposter syndrome with progression language. Don't say why me. Say why not me. This turns suffering into strength, unlocking resilience. Do not say I've lost everything. Say now I have the space to build better. This transforms despair into renewal. Psychology of rebirth. So just keep that in mind.